Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. I'd like to introduce my latest book. It's called The Solving Business, and the subtitle is Modernizing Your Infrastructure with Podman Containers. Now, this is pre-recorded just so that it can go a little bit faster and for promotional purposes, because the book is live right now on Amazon. You can get it in paperback format or ebook as well. So as you can see, I have this article, and this article will go live by the time this video is out. So basically, I want to let you know that the modern entrepreneur is trapped in a digital rental agreement. We're told that the cloud is liberation, but it's actually a high-stakes gamble with our data. Every monthly subscription is a tax that trades strategic control for temporary convenience. When you rent your infrastructure, you are betting your entire future on third-party provider. The definite solution is the solvent business, modernizing your infrastructure with Podman containers. This book is not just a manual, but a strategic blueprint for transitioning from technical fragility to total technical sovereignty. You can secure your copy today, again, on Amazon. I search for Edward Ojambo, the paperback edition or the ebook version. Both of these are available right now if you're seeing this. So what I'm going to do next is I will let you read the rest of the article. It's on ojambo.com. I do have some screenshots here, so you can read the rest, and this is the video. It's going to go here. Obviously, I haven't recorded the video yet, but it will be there by the time you take a look at this. So what I'm going to do is I want to make this as short as possible, not take too long. So I'm just going to show you what the book actually looks like. Here's the PDF version. This is obviously not what the book will look like. The book will, you'll be able to physically grab it. But for example, here's chapter 1. I talk about the hidden cost of the cloud. Again, basically, some people asked what Podman. Podman is a container. So it's a drop-in replacement for Docker, especially if you prefer the rootless. So that's why it's here. And so this entire book, I show you, there's also examples for running Paperless-ngx and other things like Uptime Kuma as well. And I do tutorials every week, at least one time a week. I show you how to use Podman. Our Podman desktop is also in the book as well. So you can self-host your own applications. It's very easy, whether you host them locally or on your own infrastructure, meaning that your own servers, could be a VPS as well. So as you can see here, now when you start out, the cloud fees are, they look reasonable, like it might be $20, $50 monthly charge. So that seems negligible, right? But the thing is, it's an operating expense that fits easily into a monthly budget. However, as the business grows, these costs do not stay linear. They compound. Basically, they become exponential. So that's why you should, when you start up your business, you should prepare for this type of costs. Okay. So as I said, it's very trivial to set up Podman. I said I've probably, you can search for Edward Ojambo and Podman, or Edward Ojambo and Podman desktop. You see a lot of examples where I set this up for you. Now, if you need some help, at the end of the book, I also you can contact me at ojamboservices.com, and I'll be able to help you. We can talk about the infrastructure and cost as well. So I'm just going to skim through. This is still chapter 1. You can see here, as I said before, if you go to the SaaS model, you're renting, there'll be monthly or yearly fees. And now, obviously, if you're solvent, there's initial hardware investment and minimal power. But the thing is, you can grow as your business grows. So if you have scale back, you can do that as well. And you're in complete control, whether it's privacy, security, and all of that. You can also upgrade at your own pace when you can. If you're fast moving like I am, Of course, you can do that literally every day or multiple times a day. But when you have these proprietary type systems, you don't know when they're going to do things, right? So hopefully nothing bad happens, but you hear it when that happens. All right, so there we go. And let's quickly go down here. You see, I do have some sample as well, some snippets you can actually try on the command line or in Podman desktop. So as you can see, this was still in chapter 1. And yes, so you can see here's a summary. So I'll just read the summary, then we'll end this video. To move forward with sovereignty, you must stop asking which app is the easiest to sign up for and start asking, where does my data live and who truly controls the switch? The cost of the cloud is not a monthly fee. It's a loss of autonomy. The first step towards sovereignty is recognizing that the convenience, in quotes, you have been sold is actually a liability. In the next chapter, we will examine the other side of the coin, the dangers of bare metal hosting. We will explore why simply owning a server isn't enough if you don't have a strategy for how to manage the software inside it and how dependency hell can turn your own hardware into a source of fragility. And this is exactly why Podman is perfect. As I said before, it's containerized, so you can use an old app or a brand new app without breaking your server or your other infrastructure. That's what makes Podman and other containers perfect for this. So pick up this book, The Sovereign Business, on Amazon right now. Again, the link also in the description. You can go to the book page, which is right here. The link is also here on the article, The Sovereign Business, and you can also check out my other options that I offer you, especially with jumboservices.com if you need consultations for how to set all of this up. Okay, so that's it. Thanks. And as I said, there's also the, for example, on Amazon right now, you see there's I'm going to stay in the US for now. You see, this is the paperback version. And you see it has over 129 pages of pure content. And it says here 141. That's because some of those pages are stuff like the table of contents about the author, but you do get 129 pages of real information which I've used, and you can see I know what I'm talking about because I have a lot of tutorials and including the videos and podcasts on Podman. And you can also pick up if you have Kindle Unlimited, you can get the ebook version for free, or you can simply buy it if you don't have that. So there we go. So the link to this is all in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.